Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Phone Manager application, agree and continue. Then it automatically makes a scan of all of your device, like some, as you can see, risks detected. Optimize your system. So then what you have to do is to just tap optimize, and after that it automatically cleans up your device, checks its privacy, security protection and some general issues. And after that, as you can see, your device will be working better. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.